Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Welcome to Kisan Tiffin Timetable. I hope you've enjoyed the recipe so far and your tiffins are looking really good now. As you know, we are bringing you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Now today's recipe is about methi and spinach fritters. You know how difficult it is to make your children eat nice green vegetables, but this recipe is going to be so good that your children are going to love eating spinach and methi all the time. Now let's start and show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin or Har Din Empty Tiffin. So let's start by toasting some til seeds, a little bit of ajwain. And once the til starts to change color slightly, and you'll get this lovely aroma coming out of the pan. In the meanwhile, let's take some whole wheat flour, that is atta. Some besan is really good in protein, really good for the child. Add these toasted til and ajwain inside here. And now let's start with the flavoring. Turmeric powder, a little bit of red chili powder, some hing, okay? So there's no ginger or garlic in this recipe. Jeera or cumin powder inside. A nice big pinch of baking soda, a pinch of sugar, salt. Lovely. Uske baad, let's add the chopped spinach and chopped methi leaves here. Now normally when we use spinach and methi, you can use literally like 2 parts of spinach to 1 part of methi. Give this a little mix. So once this is nicely mixed, then we add some Kisan sweet and spicy sauce to this recipe. Now the sweet and spicy sauce actually gives a lovely kick, you know, that khatta meetha taste to it, and your kids are going to completely love it. Also it complements the spinach and the fenugreek as well. Now we add a little bit of water into this, and then we slowly bring this together. So once your pan is nice and hot, all you need to do is take 1 spoon, flatten it a little. Let's assemble our tiffin here. So we're going to add a little bit of pineapple, a little chutney sandwich, and finally our fritters. So hope you enjoyed my spinach and methi fritter recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I'll be back tomorrow with another fantastic recipe so that you can have Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kisan.